Right, it's Monday morning. Well, it's not Monday. It's Tuesday, but it feels like Monday after the bank holiday. Got our fucking Mini in here. Big job. So we've got 2 new doors. Bumper corner blended out. Which side are we painting? This side. So yeah, just flick some colour on that. Bonnet, because obviously trying to blend that wing's like fucking no point. And it was on the job card actually to do the bonnet, so I've left it masked up because obviously I've got to wet and wet them doors. I'm going to wet and wet the quarter because there's a few breakthroughs. I've just hard edged down there while we wet and wet, and I'll just rip that off, and there's some flip edge behind it. Yeah, there it is. I'll get some wet and wet down. Basically I'll do a video once it's all done. I'm fucking short staffed today. Painter ringing ill, MET ringing ill, 2 METs ringing ill. So I've got 9 paint jobs out there, 1 painter. So see how we get on.